everyone, it's Cece here and it is now 2022, so I just wanted to start by wishing everyone a very happy new year, and I thought I'd start the year off by sharing my top 3 tips for boosting your creativity. So think of these as little creative resolutions that you can implement to help you get more creative. Okay, so my first tip for boosting your creativity is to start journaling. Journaling is an amazing way to get all your ideas put down on paper. One exercise you could start trying is to just every morning write down 5 or 10 new ideas. It's a really great way to get your brain thinking, and you'll be really surprised with the ideas that you come up with. You can also try creating a brainstorm where you put a circle in the center of the page and put your topic that you're focusing on in that bubble, and then just write as many ideas that come to your head as you can on that piece of paper. So think about quantity over quality in this exercise. So you're pretty much just word vomiting anything that comes to mind onto the page. Once you finish the exercise and you go back, you'll be surprised with how many little gems are hidden inside your brainstorm. Journaling is also a really great way to connect with our thoughts and make more space in our mind. So when we take the time to put all our thoughts down on paper, the mind is cleared and it allows new thoughts and ideas to come through. Studies have also found that handwriting really does boost creativity and also increases brain activity. So it really is a win-win exercise that you should definitely give a go. My second tip for boosting your creativity is to change up your schedule. When we get stuck in the same routine over and over again, it can seem like our lives lack inspiration and we can kind of become a little more unmotivated. Simple things like driving a different way home, or reorganizing and redecorating your workspace, or even just trying to get up a little earlier every day can really help to bring a new freshness to your life and add a change of scenery. Another thing that you can do to change up your schedule, which is really wonderful, is taking a walk, in particular somewhere new and somewhere with nature. A recent study actually showed that if you go out for a walk, your creativity boosts by up to 60%. So walking around with nature somewhere new is a really amazing thing to do. Better yet, leave your phone behind. It's so refreshing to be out with nature, not connected to any kind of technology. So I highly recommend giving that a try. Not having your phone interrupting you as you're going through your walk will really help your brain to just calm down and focus on the present moment and allow those ideas to naturally unfold. My third and final tip for boosting your creativity is to try something new. Trying something that's more challenging or steps you outside your comfort zone is a really amazing way to help stimulate new ideas. Sometimes you really do need to just step out of your comfort zone to really grow. And whenever you do something new, you're going to bring new skills to the table that you can apply to other areas of your life. Now, I know this is a macrame channel and I should be encouraging you to do more and more macrame. However, I'm going to tell you right now to go and do something else. I want to maybe try embroidery or more painting this year because they're things that I feel drawn to, and I know that I could take skills from that area and apply them to my macrame work. Another thing about seeking out new experiences is that it's amazing for our brain development. As our neurons connect in new ways, it really helps us to develop a fresh perspective which we can bring to other tasks. These new tasks, when we complete them, will also help us with memory recall, attention to detail, and problem solving. So there are so many amazing benefits to our brain when we try something new. Trying something new is also so amazing for our confidence. When we achieve something that we haven't tried before, it really does bring a sense of accomplishment and we feel proud of the work that we've done. So I really encourage you to challenge yourself, which will help you to grow and develop as a person. Getting out of your comfort zone is so rewarding, and that's what being creative is all about. So I hope that you try these few things that I've brought to you today to really boost that creativity going into the new year. What are some other things that you love to do to boost your creativity? I'd love to hear about them, so please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it, and here's to finding our peace and creativity.